What is up, guys? This is how you make eggs, scrambled eggs, with just using the microwave. You will need eggs and the bowl to start off with. First, First, you're going to want to put 2 eggs in the bowl. Then stir it. Okay, so stir it till it looks like this. Then come over to the microwave and put it in for 30 seconds. Once you put it in for 30 seconds, you're going to want to stir it again. By the way, it does depend on what microwave you have. You might have to put in a little less time if it's like more powerful, or more time if it's really weak. But yeah, once you're done stirring it again, come over to the microwave and put it in again. But this time for 20 seconds. Then come back out and stir it again. Then, once you're done stirring it, put it in for 45 seconds and you got your eggs. And put some salt and pepper on. Maybe not as much as I am, but however much you want. Peace.